The long and short of this video is, if you would like to access any of the movies that I have in my personal YouTube account, that I give out my password very readily to any and all of you, that I'm just giving you a quick tutorial as to how to do that. I wasn't able to do this in December, January, but I figured out how to do it now. Obviously, there's been a lot of updates to Google. So I could be in a Google Meet, and what I can do is I'll just connect to this one. I'll be the only one in it. Hopefully this will work out. And the second thing that I want to do is I'm going to open up a new tab to be able to access my YouTube account. So just to remind you how to get there, so I'm signed into my apps account over here. So when I sign into YouTube here, I'm going to be in my apps account, which is right up here. Anybody else having this problem? This keeps popping up and it's really making me frustrated. Anyway, long story short, if anyone knows how I can get that to stop popping up, that would be greatly appreciated. So what I want to do is I want to show that movie from my other account. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to switch account. So on this computer, I've taken it off. So I'm going to add account, which is what you might see if you haven't added my account to your list before. So this is the one that I use. It's travers.jennifer7@gmail.com. And the password is capital C ARLETON 00. So that's Carlton 00. And so you should see a purple J in the corner when you've signed into my YouTube account. And again, I share this with you because this is an opportunity in which I have bought movies so that I have them with me, and I do not mind sharing this. I don't use this Gmail password or account a whole lot. But please do not give this to the students to watch on their own, because as much as I give it to you, it is my Gmail account for some things. So I really don't want students having access to my Gmail account. So keep it between yourselves, because I know you're not sending emails from anyone else. So now that I'm signed into my other account, it'll show right up there, okay? I'm going to scroll over here, and in the menus, you're going to go to your movies. If you go to your videos, that will take you to my YouTube channel, and it's just a bunch of hockey videos of my kids playing hockey. So after signing in, you're going to go to your movies, and you're only going to see a couple. You're going to click on View All, and here is the full list of movies that I have. For better or for worse. If you need any of these, please feel free to pull them out, and you can use this in your Google Meet. So all I would do is say, for example, I want to show the Secret Life of Walter Mitty. I won't interrupt the Kite Runner. You just want to make sure that that cursor is at the very beginning. If I've watched it and shut it down, then it won't do that. And all you're going to do is in your Google Meet, you're just going to look for that one, the movie, and then it will play straight from that tab. Makes sense? Anyway, so I'm already showing something else, so you're going to see a big lag because we're using a lot of internet right now. So I have been finding that here at home, these movies have been playing really, really well, and all of my both my kids are on it, etc. But if you have lagging or slow internet, it may be more of a challenge. So I often either have a second computer, or I have Google Classroom on my phone, and there's times when I go into the Google Meet through my phone just to check that the movie is playing okay. The other key thing that you need to make sure, as you probably already know, when you are playing a movie, you want to make sure that your uh, mic and camera is closed in the Google Meet. And if you're working on our Dell computers, you're going to want to make sure the speakers are on. This is my additional computer, so unfortunately it's so old that it doesn't play a movie and send it into the computer at the same time, so I actually can't watch movies with this computer. But with your Dell computers that we were given from the school, you want to make sure that you have your mic closed, your camera closed, and that your speakers are on, and that way that the computer picks up the sound and sends it out through the Google Meet. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any other questions.